पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, बुलंद हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। मैं डॉक्टर अनुज कपूर, सीनियर रेजिडेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कम्युनिटी मेडिसिन से आप सभी डिग्निटरीज का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं, अभिनंदन करता हूं और हमारे अपकमिंग बडिंग डॉक्टर्स के लिए उनका भी स्वागत करता हूं। जीएमसी आशा रखता हूं कि जीएमसी कठुआ का परिवार
profession. As medical students, they are bound by the same professional commitments that bind all the physicians. The ceremony will join the symbol of white coat with virtues of altruism, responsibility, duty, honor, respect and compassion. Stethoscope.
I, solemnly pledge to consecrate my life to the service of humanity, the respect and gratitude that is their due. I will practice my profession with conscience and dignity. The health of
All our dignitaries on the dais and their students and parents. It is a moment of pride for us all that we have the worthy Financial Commissioner Mr. Atal Dulu with us, who has spared his extremely valuable time to encourage us and our students. It is under his able guidance that the new medical colleges have seen the light of the day, and he leaves no stone unturned every time to ensure their smooth functioning. We also congratulate Sir for the Health and Medical Education Department being awarded on this Republic Day for being the best functioning department under his stewardship. Congratulations, sir. Then Mr. O.P. Bhagat, DC Katwa. A very hearty welcome to him too.
डॉक्टर यशपाल शर्मा जी, प्रिंसिपल जीएमसी कठुआ, डॉक्टर अंजलि भट्ट, जीएमसी प्रिंसिपल जीएमसी जम्मू, other dignitaries who are sitting over here, CMOs are medical officers and newcomers in the medical faculty, जिनके लिए आज कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया है। मैं आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ और खासकर फाइनेंशियल कमिश्नर हेल्थ श्री अतुल डुल्लू साहब को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ, आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ उनका। उन्होंने अपनी पर्सनल एफर्ट से पिछले 1 साल 4 महीने से मैं यहाँ हूँ, उतने इस अरसे में सर ने कम से कम ये 5वां या 6ठा चक्कर लगाया होगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कठुआ का। इसके अलावा
Respected Principal, Government Medical College Jammu, Professor Shashi Sudan, DC Kathua, Shri O.P. Bhagat ji, Director Coordination, Dr. Yashpal Sharma, Faculty of Government Medical College Kathua, students and parents. It is indeed a very happy occasion for all of us that Government Medical College Kathua is seeing the second batch of MBBS students. Although it has come a little late because of COVID, usually the batches start in August, but this batch had to wait because NEET was delayed and results are delayed and counseling was delayed. But all the same, now a new beginning has been made. All of you, the new students who are joining today, they had a dream to become a doctor. And Government Medical College Kathua is going to make that dream come true. That is the purpose of this medical college. And this is what is being done in all the 5 new medical colleges in the UT of Jammu and Kashmir. Today classes are starting in all the 5 new medical colleges: Anantnag, Baramulla, Rajouri, Doda and Katwa. And these new medical colleges have given a lot of strength to the medical education sector in Jammu and Kashmir. Just imagine, in 2018, there were 500 MBBS seats in Jammu and Kashmir, 400 in the government sector and 100 in the private sector, ASCOMs. Today, there are 1,100 seats, 1,100 seats, 1,000 in the government sector and 100 in the private sector. This has been the effect of the 5 new medical colleges which Second, the family of Government Medical College Katwa is growing day by day. I will give you an example. Last year there were 100 students, now we have 200 students. And in 5 years there will be 500 students. And this is only the undergraduate classes. Hopefully, we will be starting the postgraduate classes also, the DNB courses. They will be your seniors. Already inspections have taken place for certain departments and they are going on for other departments. We are expecting some 30 odd seats for postgraduates who will come here and join, and they will add strength to the district hospital or the associated hospital in Katwa. We are also starting BSc in certain paramedical courses, lab technician and renal dialysis and one more, three categories. So there will be 30-40 students from BSc course also. And over 4 years, those 30 students will become 120 students. And in DNB is a 3-year program. So if you have 30 students, in 3 years there will be 90 doctors. 90 doctors working in Government Medical College, Katwa. When we also have they include the faculty, they include the hospital, the health department doctors, the consultants, everybody, demonstrators, tutors, registrars, everybody included, they come to 134. So this is the type of strengthening which has happened in Government Medical College, Katwa. Now what is required to be done is that we must overcome this.
I'm Akshita Baba and I'm quite happy that I'm allotted in GMC Katwa. Everyone here is very humble and cooperative, and the aura in the atmosphere is quite humble.
आज इंडक्शन हुआ है, जिन्होंने नीट क्लियर किया था उनका सिलेक्शन GMC कठुआ में हुआ। आज उनका पहली बार ऑफलाइन मोड में आज उनकी क्लासेस लगी हैं और साथ में इनकी इंडक्शन